Hello, my name is Katrina. I'm a graphic designer and I also have an Etsy shop where I sell cards, stickers, that type of thing. And today is Saturday and it's Saturday afternoon. I've just been doing a few things around the house. I did some laundry, cleaned up a bit, and took my dog Hank on a big walk. It's actually so nice outside right now. It's still a bit cold, but so nice, and I'm just happy it's not raining. So the plans for this weekend are to do a bit of work, not like my 9-to-5 job work, but just some like extra stuff like my Etsy shop and some new like graphics for this video and some of my YouTube videos. So I wanted to show like how I work on that. I just picked up my computer from the Apple store. I had to replace the battery. I've had that computer, I bought it in 2020 and I paid $3,500 for it, and I think I've paid like $2,500 to fix it in that time. I haven't had to buy a new computer yet. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully I don't soon. I know one day we'll have to, but I did freelance for a few years and used that computer like all the time, and for like video editing, Photoshop, that type of thing. So I have been hard on it, I guess, but I was just doing the calculations and I'm like, obviously paying $400 to fix the battery is a lot cheaper than paying $4,000 to buy a new computer. But I was just thinking about that, and the lady at the store, she was like, oh, so the trade-in value of this is $190, just to let you know. And I was like, okay, that's a trade-in value though, but if I want to go buy a new computer, it's obviously a lot more than that. Anyways, that's my rant for today. I got my laptop back and only had to spend $400 on it today and not $1,000, so I guess that's something good. But yeah, I'm gonna work on my iPad and I'll show some of the like prints and stuff I've been working on. A lot of them are very like half-baked, but I'll just show what I've been working on. And I'm also, yeah, and I'll show some of the YouTube graphics and branding stuff I've been working on as well later. And yeah. The judgiest dog in the world. I just got my old Apple charger for my iPad to plug in. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I go to use my iPad, it is dead. So I'm gonna just plug this in here. Just try to get everything ready before I sit down. Just try to think of all the things I need before I sit down and don't want to get up. And last but not least, my iPad. So this is one of the things I've been drawing, and I'm just going in and fixing. Now I've lost them all. Just going and fixing some of these nubs. Also gonna add to this, and I don't really like the colors. You wanna come up? Come on. Now what? It is the next day. My battery is about to die, so we'll make this quick, but I just spent the rest of yesterday basically sitting on my couch. I ate dinner, just hung out a bit. I was working on some lettering that I'm going to work on today. I want to make some like slides and branding stuff for my videos as well as for my website, I think. I have an idea. We'll see if it works out. And yeah, I just finished making my bed. See, little Hank is already on it, but I'm gonna head out with him. We're gonna do our long walk. We're gonna go on one of those, and we come back. It'll probably be around 1. And yeah, we'll work on the lettering and stuff. And yeah, I don't know if I have anything else to say, but my camera's about to die, and we'll do something cool after that. Cool? What am I saying? Why did I say that? You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come on! Come on! So today is one of those days that it just seems like it has gone by so fast. I'm like, what have I even done today? I basically just worked on that lettering. I did other things. I took Hank for a couple walks, organized a bit in the morning. I did do things. I've also been packing up that Etsy order. I was kind of showing the cards here I packed, and the notepad I was cutting down to size. And I just glued, and I need to do a couple more layers of glue and then cut it down to size tomorrow and send it out. Put magnets on the back as well. But yeah, I'm going to call it a night tonight. I need to go to bed, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.